Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we just got some idea of what is method reference. So before writing some code which can explain how method reference works, let's go back to back to that lambda expression, how it works and other stuffs. So what I'm going to do, I will write some functional interface. So let's write some functional interface which says um, operational. Just calling name or just like we created earlier, this interface playable. Okay, this is going to be interface, and I'll create one abstract method play. Okay, we have created this earlier in our series. Let's reuse it. Okay, so idea is I'll create this interface and play will have one string this time. Okay, or let's make it simple, blank. Okay, blank method. So let's write its lambda first. So the signature would be like public void lambda, and of course in interface this one. It's abstract method, right? And if I have to write its lambda expression, so what we do, we obsolete the name, takes this, and right now it's void, so I can't do much here. So what I will do, I will just say this, then arrow operator, and here goes the implementation. For now I'll just say sys out, and let's say playing games, right? So done. So let's do this in Eclipse, and then we will write method reference for this stuffs. So going back to here, let's get a new function package for this. So com.pack dot method reference. Okay, that's a typo. Let's fix it. Method reference ready. So right click, new class. Before that we have to get interface so we can use it. So interface playable, let's get it method public void play, and done. And let's mark this at function interface, right? We know this thing. If you don't know, please refer my previous videos on function interfaces. Okay, so our function interface is ready. Let's create a new class. Let's say chess. This class implements playable. Done. And let's override the method. Let's say playing chess, right? Simple stuff. And let's say tester. So one more class, tester. Okay, ready. So we'll test it by using main method, creating instance of chess, new chess, and then chess dot play. Okay, done. If I run this code, so we're getting playing chess, right? Simple stuff. We have an interface with this method, then we have a chess which implements the interface, and then calling here. So nothing new, it is a normal Java code like before Java 8. Now if I have to do some kind of polymorphic call, what I can do on left side, right, this section, this is a class name. If I, because this is now hard coded kind of, every time I create object it's always a chess type. I want to make it a polymorphic, like at a runtime it should choose the behavior. So I'll say instead of making it chess, I'll say playable, and object will be of chess type. So here at runtime it behaves that it's a playable type. And now playable dot play, done. So let's do this thing, sys out, and just creating a separator, executed the code, and you can see again playing chess, right? And next time if I have to add new sport, so that goes on the right side, and we can use it by its reference, like right click, class, and let's say cricket, then implements playable. Okay, again let's implement this method, and here I'll say sys out playing cricket, right? And I'll just let's rename it by game tester. Okay, method is done. So game tester is right here. And now what I can do again, either I can go for cricket equals something new cricket, or using the polymorphic or like this playable 2 equals new cricket. So again what we have object of cricket type, but type is playable, and playable2 dot play. And if I execute this code one time, so playing chess and playing cricket. This is just a core Java concept where we have used some object oriented logics, or you can say concepts. So Java plus or object oriented language programming concepts we have used here. But how to move to next layer where we have this lambda expressions and other stuffs. So in next video we will write the same stuff by using lambda expressions, and then we will enhance it to go forward till method reference. So thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.